Over many people may hold the belief that we cannot actively shape others' perceptions of us. They perceive personality as static. If others like us, it's fortunate, but if not, there's little we can do. This assumption is a common misconception. However, the point I aim to convey in this discourse is that we possess the ability to make virtually anyone appreciate us by adhering to a few fundamental principles. The discussion herein diverges from conventional teachings found in academic settings. Expect to encounter fresh perspectives. The 5 principles I'm about to elucidate propelled me from a reticent, self-doubting adolescent to a self-assured individual adept at forging new connections. These principles draw from Dale Carnegie's seminal work, How to Win Friends and Influence People. They furnish guidance for engaging with new acquaintances and furnish a set of tools for cultivating likability. As I delve into them, visualize how they might be assimilated into your life, be it at school, work, among friends, or within the family context. Understanding people's perspectives. The initial principle underscores the significance of empathizing with others' viewpoints. It's essential to acknowledge that individuals may harbor beliefs or perspectives divergent from ours, even if we deem them erroneous. Rather than resorting to criticism, strive to comprehend their standpoint. Reflect on the reasons behind their thoughts and actions. Put yourself in their shoes and ponder, how would I react in their situation? Doing so can save time and forestall needless frustration. This principle underscores the importance of authentically seeing things from the other person's vantage point. The following principle, deceptively simple yet profoundly impactful, revolves around smiling. A smile serves as a universal language conveying warmth, acceptance, and joy. It silently communicates sentiments like, I appreciate your presence, you bring me happiness, and I'm delighted to see you. Consider the boundless enthusiasm with which dogs greet us. We instinctively reciprocate. A baby's smile exerts a similar effect. Even if we don't feel like smiling, the act of smiling can uplift our spirits. After all, happiness emanates from our thoughts, not external circumstances. By sharing smiles, we can deeply influence others' emotions, spreading positivity wherever we go. The third principle revolves around encouraging others to share about themselves. Inherently, humans are fascinated by their own experiences and interests. We derive pleasure from discussing ourselves and what we hold dear. By inviting others to share their stories, we convey a sense of value and importance. When at a loss for words in conversation, recall this principle. Encouraging others to express themselves fosters connection and demonstrates genuine interest in their lives, emphasizing genuine compliments. The fourth principle highlights the significance of offering sincere and heartfelt compliments. A study on strained relationships unveiled a common root cause: a lack of acknowledgement and appreciation. Often, amidst our own concerns, we forget to express gratitude and admiration for others. However, a genuine compliment holds the power to brighten someone's entire day. We all yearn to feel valued and respected in our respective spheres. Let's treat others with the same kindness and affirmation we desire. By offering sincere praise and appreciation, we sow seeds of positivity and joy. Let's make it a habit to uplift others with genuine compliments, nurturing a culture of kindness and affirmation in every interaction. The final principle advocates for steering clear of arguments as the most effective conflict resolution strategy. Arguments seldom lead to mutual understanding. Instead, they often deepen rifts. Even if one prevails in an argument, it may leave the other feeling inferior and wounded. The key lies in avoiding arguments altogether. Rather than striving to prove oneself right, seek common ground and understanding. By refraining from engaging in disputes, we preserve harmony and mutual respect in our relationships. Remember, Genuine victory lies in fostering mutual understanding, not in asserting dominance or proving a point. Fostering positive connections. We have now explored 5 principles aimed at enhancing likability and fostering meaningful connections. The more we integrate these principles into our interactions, the more naturally they become a part of us. Let's remember our commitment to spreading positivity by offering genuine compliments to those around us. Imagine the collective impact if each of us took this simple action. Together, we can create a ripple effect of happiness and appreciation. Let's embark on this journey of building meaningful connections and uplifting others. This concludes our discussion for today. Thank you for your engagement and participation.